Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard bread pudding. This easy guide will walk you through creating a comforting dessert that's perfect for any occasion. First, you'll need about 6 cups of day-old bread, cut into 1-inch pieces. Then, we'll prepare a simple yet rich custard using common pantry staples like eggs, milk, and a touch of sugar. We'll also add some warm spices to elevate the flavor profile. Now let's focus on the heart of our pudding, the custard. In a bowl, whisk 3 large eggs with 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light and creamy. Next, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract on the stovetop, but do not boil it. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and ensure a smooth, lump-free custard. With our custard ready, it's time to assemble. Evenly arrange your 6 cups of 1-inch bread cubes in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Pour the rich custard mixture slowly over the bread, making sure every piece is thoroughly saturated. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to absorb the liquid. Then, bake your pudding in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 to 50 minutes until golden brown and set. Once baked, your delicious custard bread pudding is almost ready to enjoy. Let it cool for at least 15 minutes before serving. This allows the custard to fully set. For an extra touch, dust it with powdered sugar or add a generous dollop of freshly whipped cream. It's absolutely delightful served warm, perhaps with a drizzle of homemade caramel sauce or a handful of fresh berries for a burst of flavor. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.